Hello, my name is Adon, and I'm going to be doing an experiment on hot air and cold air, and we're going to be seeing which one rises and which one doesn't rise. Things you need for the experiment are hot water and cold water, 2 bowls, a plastic water bottle, and a balloon. So let's start the experiment now. First, take your balloon and wrap it on top of the empty water bottle. Let's pour hot water in the bowl, but if you think you cannot do it, take a adult's help. An adult's help, and now I'm gonna be taking this empty water bottle and putting it in the hot water. It's slow. Look at this balloon coming up. Now I'm gonna be taking it and putting it in cold water. And the balloon it dropped off instead of blowing up like a hot air balloon. It's going up. In the hot water, the balloon is going up because the hot water is heating the air inside the water bottle, and the air is pushing the balloon up. But let's put it now in cold water, and why is the balloon not coming up? Because the cold water is pushing it down. So the air is settling down inside the water bottle. In this experiment, you can tell that cold air is more denser than hot air. One real life example is hot air balloon, and because the fire on the hot air balloon is heating up the hot air balloon and making it go up. And I hope you like this video. Bye.